Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube using YouTube Studio. Click the upload icon at the top right to open the Upload Videos dialog. Click Select Files to choose your video from the File Explorer, then confirm your selection to start the upload. The Details page opens with your video preview on the right. Replace the placeholder text. For this example, I'm typing Weekend Garden Update in the title and a quick look at the garden in the description. Click Next at the bottom right to move through the Video Elements page. Click Next again to reach the Checks page, where YouTube scans your video for copyright and ad suitability. The Visibility page appears with options to make your video public, unlisted, or private. Leave it set to public and click Publish to make your video live. A confirmation dialog appears showing your video has been published. If your upload fails partway through, go back to the Content page and click the Resume Upload link next to the incomplete video. YouTube saves your progress, so you won't have to start over. You can change your video's visibility at any time after publishing by going to the Content page, clicking on the video, and selecting a different option under Visibility Settings. If you want to schedule your video to go live at a specific time instead of publishing immediately, choose Schedule on the Visibility page and pick your date and time. And that's how to upload a video to YouTube using YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.